In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change leader name in Hearts of Iron 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can modify the name of any leader inside of Hearts of Iron 4 by modifying specific parts of the documents related to the game. So to start, navigate to this folder, localization, and then English. Of course, if you are playing the game in English, which I assume most people will be. Inside of this folder, you will have this file here, nsb underscore characters underscore l underscore English. This refers to the name of all characters when you are playing in English. And by modifying the names inside of this file, you will be able to see the change appear in-game. So go to where Hearts of Iron 4 is installed, go to the localization folder, and finally English. Now open this with either Notepad or Notepad++. I highly recommend using Notepad++. Inside, you will find all of their names. They will usually be divided like this, so you will find, for example, Soviet Union, and then all of the leaders will appear in order. So this is how Joseph Stalin's name appears in the game. If you want to change it, all that you have to do is modify whatever is written here. So make sure you don't touch anything else, only the name. You can remove specific names, specific surnames, you can add more, you can change the entire name, you can delete it, you can do whatever you want. As long as you don't modify the main values here at the left, the IDs basically, and you only change the actual name, it is going to change the display inside of the game. So when you go inside of the game, whatever you wrote here in place of the original name is going to appear when this specific leader shows up. So all that you have to do is modify these values. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.